Omukoro ogu gwahikwaho abantu basari bamwe na bamwe okurwa ministry y'ekikora cy'abantu bakora abandi kurwa mu government ebitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe ba ambassadors kandi aba bagenderire okubasa kuronda emiringo eyibakubasa kuhiramo abana abari kutura n'oburemu ahambiri yabo na no kuba kubasa kubateraho emiturire mirungi kwenda ngo bakore kurungi. Uriyo muhwezi wa speaker w'ishengerero lihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa omukugamba kwe yashoborora oku abana abino burema ahambiri yabo bine kutwazibwa.
We know you were born different from us, but we've also not done much to support you in your challenges, and yet you can be anything in society. So really it's very, very important that we have started this dialogue. And I want to congratulate you, Honorable Minister, and your team and our partners for ensuring that we tackle this critical issue of children, of parents who have been excluded because they have children who are disabled. Some of us who grew up in the village, even theories would be developed, on why she gave birth to a disabled child, or it was a curse.
Aba ministry eyekikora cy'abantu babuzibwa kanana katano ahamani hagubatiremo okwenda ngo babase kwera abana abino bulema bantu batari bamwe na bamwe ababari ahamushomogu bagira ngo abana bino bulema obwiro bwinji bakira kwihwa ombandi abamwe barebwa nkekizibu omakagabo okongera ahariyebi abazire abo abana babo bine oburema bagira ngo nabone batunga okugumirwa abo kugira ngo nibanu betenga okongera ahamani hago kubareberera hamwe no kugira ngo abana banu benda okurebererwa okwamani.
Nsanyise nnyo okulaba ng'olwaleero tuvuddeyo kubanga tukubaganya ebirowoozo ku benefit eno ey'okubanga abaana n'ababalabirira bafunayo ka package ku buli nkomerero ya mwezi kize mu kiseera ekituufu kubanga abazadde babadde bafuna okusomozebwa kunene nnyo maka nga balabirira abaana baabwe. Era nsanyuse nnyo okulaba nga speaker wa parliament avuddeyo naye okukiwagira nti ddala abazadde abalabirira abaana bano bafuna okusomozebwa kungi. Bw'otunuulira omuwendo gw'obutateeka kino mu nkola n'omuwendo gw'okukiteekamu ssente, omuwendo gw'okukiteekamu ssente gwa mugaso nnyo okusinga obutakikola. So nsuubira nti bwe tuba tukikoze abazadde bagenda kulabirira abaana baabwe n'omutima gumu tusobole okuba nga tufunye abaana abafuuse ekyo kye twagala bafuuke.
Bamwe omubantu abahika ahamushomogu basima ebitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe ahabwa amana gatirwemu okugira ngo abana bino burema mbiri yabo babasa kurebererwa. Twagambaho na Miss Uganda kandi ekintu kyo yashoborora ahabana abino burema.
Family is experiencing a lot of financial expenses. Nako mwana nkogu nabari kwenda nka equipment katugape nka wheelchair ninge mibazi medical services expenses banyinji. So family age never supportinga kati picturing omuntu ayino omwana nka abana babiri ninga bashatu abayiho disability abalireba batakureba mwoti wakawuli abweti wakagamba.
Bamwe ahabazire abo abana babo bino burema nabo abagamba ahamushomogu nabo kunikwe bashoborora n'abana abino burema nabo hine bagamba n'ebintu ebakwena ngo abase okukorerwa.
Nsonyise nnyo okubeera wano nga twogera ku nsako y'abaana abaliko obulemu buli mwezi ku kyensonga y'okutuyambako kijja kuba kituyambako fe abaana abaliko obulemu tujja kuba tufuna ebyetaago abamu gye bali nga tebasobola kufuna school fees okuva eri bazadde baabwe. Sente bwe bazadde bajja sobola okukola bizinesi ezijja okubabeezaawo n'abaana baabwe abo abaliko obulemu.
Aba ministry eyekikora cy'abantu Narish Ministry of Gender and Culture nabo hine eshonga ezibashoborora.
We note that in Uganda we have quite a number of families living in poverty, extreme poverty. And so it's classified that 50% of Uganda households with disability are living in extreme poverty.
mushomo ogu gwaba gugenderire okugira ngu babase kuhanura ahanshonga ezikwatiye no ku gavumenti yakubasa kuhwera omu kubasa kureba ngu abaana baine oburema bayongera kutunga obushagiki kandi bakora nk'abandi oyihireho kugira ngu niba baine oburema. Amakuru aga gashakwa Ivan Nyesiga aha bwa Tayari West omuri Kampala.